Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping the water at the closest shutoff and opening the downstream faucet to drain residual water. Once drained, secure the area with rags and place a bucket under the joint. You now fit an adjustable wrench and gently back off the loose coupling to reveal the threads. Inspect for cross-threading, corrosion, or missing sealing. If threads are only lightly damaged, clean them with a brush and solvent so the next steps will bond properly and prevent future leaks. Once you've exposed clean threads, determine whether repair or replacement is required. File minor burrs with a fine file or use a thread die for male threads, because correct thread profile ensures even seal. Next, wrap PTFE tape clockwise for 3-5 full turns so it won't unravel when you screw the fitting together. Then apply a thin, compatible pipe thread sealant over the tape if the pipe material allows. Hand start the coupling to avoid cross-thread. You finish by slowly turning the water back on and watching the repaired joint for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Check both dry and pressurized conditions for any seepage. If you notice a small weep, stop, tighten a quarter turn, and check, because small adjustments often cure seating issues. If the leak remains, fully disassemble, clean, and reapply PTFE tape and sealant or replace the fitting. Troubleshooting tip. Persistent leaks usually mean stripped threads or cracked fittings. Replace parts or call a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.